Yeah, I know it. I wish I knew. I agree, yeah.
I have trouble wearing anything but jeans.
Yes.
Oh, here's the cat again. Hey, kitty, kitty.
So you just kind of take your time to go through.
Okay. This is that back great mud room. Into the pantry. This is the mud room that I love. It's just a nice little mudroom space. Wouldn't be insulated. And then here's the big 2-car garage, which is actually pretty neat. Neat like clean. Okay, I'm gonna start a new movie.